guys, welcome back to my channel, Art and Crafts with me, Jade. Today we're going to be making a paper fidget toy. What you'll need is a ruler, something to draw your lines with, a glue stick, and some paper. I am using pink, blue, and black origami paper. First you need to cut 2 strips of each color the same size so that your fidget toy will work. So I'm going to put my ruler on my paper and then trace my lines and cut it. And you need to have 6 strips. They can be the same color or different colors. Now that you have your paper cut, it's time to glue the corners together. And if you need to add more glue, you can. And now you're going to fold it like this. Now that you have it folded, you're going to glue the loose flap down. And then you're going to glue your next color on top of it. And then the same thing that you did with the other color. And then you're going to fold it the same way and continue that with your next color. So now you have to glue your 2 sides together. And you have to have a little bit of patience here so that they will stay. Now that everything's dry, you have a paper fidget toy. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and please subscribe. We'll see you next week with another video.